This is the second part of walking through Little India, Brickfields in Malaysia. It's a very vibrant area. I'm sure you can enjoy it. So in the mall you find H&M, those type of shops, but you also find other shops that don't look like low budget, but the clothes are actually pretty cheap. H&M, you know, it's a little bit cheaper I think than in Western countries. But then yesterday I was surprised. I went in one of those shops and it was super cheap. Actually, let me give you like a little round around the block. Before we go to the mall. So you got like some places here that are open most of the night. I don't know exactly how long, but if you go there after midnight, it's busy, so they might be open all night even. Then there's restaurants like this, where I was, and they're closed at like midnight. Later. Okay. Later. That 7-Eleven I think is also 24/7. So we're very close to the mall. Up there's actually the train that goes in there. So this is one of the places that's open all night. I'm staying like in this large building in the back. Crazy view and pool and everything for a few days. So back there is some more places that are open all night. But this one is open all night. They do some type of burgers. And these places are really cheap. So you can eat quite a lot here for a few dollars. Let's go to the mall. Oh, that's a nice street. Let's check that out real quick. So this is also a place that is open all night. So if you're close to, I hope I'm not messing up the name, is it NU or SA or something, Central Station, Central with a S, then yeah, just around the corner you'll find those 24/7 places. It's actually really cool. Look how many ACs. Oh damn, can I actually get out of here? The smell is getting intense. So these places here are also open after midnight. I didn't really eat much here other than naan, but there's all locals here that come to eat, so should be safe. So in that mall you find a lot of good clean food places. I'm not sure when they close. I think it's somewhere between 8 and 10. ChatGPT said 10. But I think was it after 10? Yeah. I don't know if all shops are open until 10. But you find a lot of food places on the first floor and then on the top floors. This place is also open after 12. So let's go in the mall. Okay, I was right at first. It's called NU Central. And I have to find a suitcase now. You can see it's a very big mall. lot of big brands, a lot of good food. And cheap clothes. So I know there was also suitcases in here. They were pretty cheap. Let's see. $69.90. That's good. That could be it. I think that's it. Easy. So I guess I can buy some more clothes. If you ever come here, the juice place is really good. Well, it's not a juice place, it has fruits, but the fruit juices are really good and the fruits are cheap. Okay. I'm sure there's other people doing a whole tour of the mall, but it was Little India. So let me just shop a little bit. My flight is going tomorrow. And I hope I don't have to pay overweight, but at least I'm flying with Emirates, so I have 2 bags. Because the mall is very big. But yesterday, for example, I bought 2 pants for 80. Like 2. And 80, I think that's like something like 20 euros or something. I might be wrong. But definitely way cheaper than in Europe. So yeah, for example, I think this shirt is like 10 euros around, even a bit cheaper than that. So you know, like in Europe or somewhere, it would at least be something between 30 and 50 euros. Let's say 30, but yeah, so it's a lot cheaper here. Anyways, see you next time.